Surya Namaskara B. On the end of your exhale, bend the knees. Ekam inhale, reach, look thumbs. Dwe exhale, fold, hands to the floor. Chini inhale, lift the chest, look up. Chatwari exhale, step back to high plank. Extra inhale, exhale lower. Chaturanga. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Sha exhale, downward facing dog. Supta, step through with the right foot. Inhale, look thumbs. Ashtau, exhale, hands to the floor. Step back to high plank. Extra inhale, extra exhale. Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, upward facing dog. Disha, exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasha, step through with the left foot. Inhale. Dwadasha, exhale, hands to the floor and step back to high plank. Extra inhale, extra exhale. Chaturanga. Trayodasha, inhale, upward facing dog. Chaturdasha, exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale. Step the feet towards the hands. Shodasha, exhale, fold. Saptadasha, bend the knees, inhale. Look thumbs. Exhale, reaching up and bring the arms down. Samastitihi.